Today I'll share with you some of the best money-making apps for 2022. They are available for both iOS and Android devices and work for absolutely free. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already and you are new to this channel, subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course share it with your friends so if you think that they are going to benefit from this strategy. Without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you everything. I'm going to share with you multiple sources, so just make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so you can learn how to make them work and make the most money. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is called TV2, and it's over at tv-2.com. By scrolling down, you're just going to notice that you can get paid by watching videos. You can just lean back, relax, enjoy your favorite content from thousands of creators and earn crypto while doing that. By scrolling even further down, you're going to notice how it works. So first of all, you're going to just download this platform, this app, because they offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store. You're going to link the devices that are available, and then you're going to just watch those videos and get paid again and again. So you can go over to Google Play Store and see that it's called TV2 Watch and Earn Rewards. They got more than 1 million of downloads and 4.8 out of 5 stars and out of more than 600,000 of reviews. So as you can see, they got very positive reviews, so it means that it is a popular and very loved app. You can even go over to App Store and see that they got more than 400 of ratings and 4.6 stars. So they got pretty awesome reviews, so I highly recommend that you give it a try. So the second platform for today is called Feature Points, and it's over at featurepoints.com. So I'm going to give you first the website version and then the app version. You can see that even this platform offers an app on App Store and Google Play Store. On Google Play Store, it's called Feature Points Get Rewarded. They got more than 10 million of downloads and 3.7 stars out of more than 100,000 of reviews. On App Store, they got like 4.3 stars, which are better than on Google Play Store actually, and more than 2,000 of reviews. By going back to their official website, you can just notice that you can get rewarded on your phone or the web, just like we saw right now, by just completing surveys, getting cashback, and doing some other things as well that I'm going to show you right now. You can see that they've paid to their members more than $5.8 million since 2012. So they have been around for quite some times now, for 10 years. So it shows that this is a legit platform, since most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. You can see that you can scratch to win 50,000 of points instantly by just getting part in their contest, and also you can complete surveys by just sharing your opinion. You can just get paid. They offer you the possibility to get cash back whenever you shop at your favorite stores, just like GameStop, Microsoft, Sephora, Walmart, and so on. Store pay them commission for sending you to them, and this platform just share it with you. You can just download the apps, you can just try free games, and you're going to earn points that of course you're going to exchange for rewards. You can even take advantage of their referral program. You can just take your referral link, share it with your friends, even people that want to make money online, and you're going to get paid whenever you bring new members to this platform. They give you 50% every time your friends earn points, and for life, so they are in current commission. You can just take notice that you can redeem your points for awesome rewards, and that includes Amazon gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, Starbucks, Bitcoin is available, and also PayPal money as well. So you can check out even these reviews over here. They got 4 out of 5 based on like almost 2,000 of ratings. So you can even check out the app once again, download it on your iOS or Android device and make money through it. But you can also go over to the sign up button up here, and then you're going to put your email address, complete the CAPTCHA, click on the continue button, and you're going to just complete some other steps as well, just like your username and so on. And then you can even do this with your Apple account, Facebook account, or Google account if you want to, because it is a lot faster and easier. So with that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to another platform right away. This one pays you differently actually by completing only surveys. You can just see that it's called Surveys on the Go, and it's over at surveysonthego.com. Your opinion is important for them and your time is valuable. That's why they pay you every time you give your opinion. So they're going to pay you in cash, as you can see, and also you're going to be anywhere while you are at the store, eating out, just browsing, they're going to reward you. You can see that the more you move and browse your phone, the more service you'll be qualified for. You get paid for being online every time you open an app or website, and once you hit $10 in your account, you can easily cash out. So they offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store as well, just like the other platforms as well, and just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, so you can just go over to Google Play Store. It's called Surveys on the Go. They got more than 1 million of downloads and 4.4 stars out of more than 1,000 of reviews, so they are pretty good reviews actually. And here on App Store it's called Surveys on the Go as well, and they got 4.6 stars and more than 61,000 of ratings, so it's very popular and very loved by people since they have rated it pretty well actually. So this was another app that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to proceed to the last one. Even this one pays you by completing surveys, and it's called IPoll.com. You can see that this is over at their official website. By scrolling down, you're going to notice that this is an online and mobile community where you're going to just share your opinions about different products, services, and places that you visit every day, so you can earn some great rewards. You can see that every time that you share, you'll be compensated and give you different rewards as well. You can just click on learn more, and you're going to notice that they pay you through Apple gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and PayPal money as well. So by going back here, you're going to notice that IPoll has been rewarding opinions for more than 2 decades, so they've been around for quite some times now, and there is something for everyone at IPoll, so everyone can get like a service to complete and are going to get paid. You can just click on the join button in the upper right corner in order to put your information. You're going to just put your first name, last name, your gender, your date of birth, your address, as you can see, your zip code, an email address, confirm the email address. You need to enter a password, confirm the password, then you need to complete this captcha here, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy by ticking these boxes, and then you're going to click on the next button. Of course, they are going to send you an email, so make sure to just check your inbox in order to be able to activate your new account. Then you can log in and start completing surveys and get paid again and again. I want to mention that this app also offers an app just like the other ones as well. Here on App Store it's called IPoll, and they got 3.5 stars and more than 2,000 of ratings, while here on Google Play Store it's called IPoll Make Money on Service, and they got more than 1 million of downloads and also 3.8 stars out of more than 22,000 of reviews. So these are not very good reviews actually, but you can just give it a try. You can even focus on their website version, it depends on you. But of course, if you want to, you can use the other app that I share with you today, which contains a service, and you can just focus on this one, which was called Surveys on the Go. Of course, in order to make the most money, I highly recommend that you focus on all of these platforms, but it depends on you and how much time and dedication you want to put on this strategy. So with that said, guys, this was it for today's video. I really hope that you like it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Aidenemia's World.